always on time.
Yes, that's
Always on time.
That's true. We're always on time.
Buckle up, grab a beer, and let's do it. I told you I got the final version of the album artwork back. Artwork itself is done. I only had to make minor changes to what you saw before.
Oh shit! Burning down the city, guys.
But this is the final version. It's just not the full resolution. The full resolution, I can send it to you. That's just
Yeah, that's the proxy, right?
Yeah.
Wait, so what happened today? Break it down.
So what happened today is we had got done some boring stuff, but very necessary stuff. We got done the bass tracks we got them back from the bass player. We got the tracks for Dynamic Warfare and for the Pulse. The guy who plays bass, Reed, he's gonna do those edits. He's gonna punch them in. And
So this guy Reed, I guess he's the hired gun.
yes, and he's
All right.
playing all the bass on the album. The guy who I told you about, the bass player, he is all on board to play bass for the live band. He's really gonna like going out on tour. So I think that this guy's gonna be.
Wait.
Into it.
What word come out of your mouth?
Tour.
Did you say
Tour.
The title of the album.
The title of the album is For the Sovereign. We have a song on there, the titular track For the Sovereign. That one's an epic. And then we are working on a whole bunch more stuff. So we have a 10-song album, and we have songs Blow It Up, More Action, For the Sovereign, obviously, The Last Stand, Dynamic Warfare, and The Pulse.
What's the Pulse all about?
The Pulse, you're gonna love The Pulse. The Pulse is the Gear Up theme. Gear Up and Run. So that is the theme for the company, and it is a hard driving, fast song.
We're working on a big project, guys. We're working on this for 2 years now.
Has it been that long?
Yeah, almost 2 years.
It's been almost 2 years? Holy shit. I mean, this project started in one place. I mean, you guys are gonna hear the final product and how it sounds from when it started to how it's finished. So,
Yeah, we have like another 4 months to go.
yeah, another few months to go. Hopefully not 4, but another few months to go. And then everything will be ready to go. So this is how it would work is that one level of water would be different than the next level of water in the lock. The boat would come into the lock, they would close off the one portion, flood it so that it would go up, match the water level to the next stage in the lock, the next tier, and then they would open that tier, then the boat would be able to move through. Same system that they use in the Panama Canal. What happened is that a lot of these canals were used for inland shipping. Inland shipping is still used in the United States, even though much less than it was back in the 1800s. But what happened is that a lot of these locks became decommissioned after the advent and the popularity of the railroads. When a lot of the freight was moved from inland shipping onto trains, and railroads were built all over. And then a lot of these locks shut down when the canals shut down, when they were no longer, But see, like some of these things would do inland shipping. So like you would have shipping from the Great Lakes and stuff that would never even come to the Atlantic or the Pacific Oceans. It would just come in through the Great Lakes or around different parts of the United States, and then they would just get shipped all along these canals.
But look the construction. This limestone still standing.
And it still looks impressive.
Oh, yeah.
See, like, look at these corners. You have some moss going here and here, but I mean, hell, this looks better than some of the buildings we repair, right? This was built right after the Revolution.
How long ago? How many years ago this was?
227 years.
227 years, huh?